Hello guys, good morning. So we today learn Java programs in a prime number. Okay, how to build an prime number? We can go to a package Java programs. The package they take a new file, new class. So print an Java means prime numbers. So prime numbers is a class name and public static void main also it can be taken and finish the programs. So now command line wants no need of the command lines can. So now it can be this is a prime number programs. So now public static void is a main function, it can be under the main function can be write the code. So we can be creating an one uh, object. So object is an import this is import the class, import the object package. So we can import the packages. So import java dot util dot it is scanner. So util dot scanner it is a package. Import the scanner classes. So import the scanner classes. Then you can be creating an one object. So creating object it can be go onto the scanner. Scanner means scanner sc equals to new. Scanner sc equals to new and scanner system.in it is an input type of the object. So input type of the object. So what kind of the input type of the object can be needed, we can be use the sc. So we can be creating an one output system.out.println it is an output. So it can be enter the prime number, it can be enter the any prime number. It is a can be showing an output side. So we can be creating one more the input type. So that's been it can be int. Okay, a number int num is a variables. Int is a data types, num is a variables. Then again equals scan sc means object creating the sc. So next int type. So this is an int type, the prime number as an int types. So we can be creating another one boolean of variables. Boolean is a data types, is prime is a variables, boolean is a data types, is prime is a variables, and true also values the assign the values. So then if the if num less than equals to 0, because num uh, upper than the equals can be error, some errors. So it can be less than 0, it can be not a prime number. Okay, it can be given to the number any number. So that's why it can be creating as the is prime, it can be false, it can be prime is prime is a false. So we can move on to the you can move on to the else part. Else is creating an, one of the for loops. So creating a for. So for the int I is the int is the data types, I is the variables. It can be int I equals to 2. Int I equals to 2 because why we need to 2. So it can be divide by any number. So it can be creating a 2. So I less than equals to num modulus num divide by 2 because half of the number. So then again it can be give to the 6 divided by 3 can be 3 as the turning the 3 types loops. So it can be move on to the if condition. If condition num modulus. So 2 because of the num modulus give to the it can be numbers means num modulus 2 means can be calculating the divide by 0 can be what is the remainder it can be use the remainder. So it can be creating as the frame it is a not a prime number is a false prime number. Prime is a false because it is not a prime number. It any number divided by it is not a prime number. This is a this is not a prime numbers divided by any number divided by it is a not a prime number. So any number cannot be divided by that is a prime numbers. We can move on to the so word pad word the word can be used the prime numbers. See the prime numbers, what are the prime numbers is there, it can be go to the word pad. So word can be taken the new file, can I will show the prime numbers. So the what is the prime numbers is there now. So go to the take the new files. So the frame numbers, here. So frame number here. So frame number here. So 2, then again, 3, 2 also prime number, itself only divide by itself. So 2, the again divide 2 cannot be divided by any other numbers. So 2, then again 3, then again 5, 5. So then again 7 also not divided by any other numbers. So 7, then again 11, 11, then again 14 also not prime number, this is a prime number, not a prime number. And then again 13, 13 is a prime number. So this is the prime numbers. So we move on to the, this is also prime numbers, we move on to the programs. So it can't be divided by 0. So that means it is a false, means it can be not a prime number. So we'll take the out of the loop, out of the if conditions, if condition, out of the if condition, you come to the if conditions. Then again, this is the out of the if conditions. So it can be creating one of the if condition use. So open the bracket, it can be using the num, num equal, sorry, num not, is prime number, is prime equals to true, prime equals to true. It is an, it is a prime number. Okay, system dot can be enter it. Then again system dot out dot println, it is an prime number. Okay, this is a prime, is a prime number. Then again go to the else part. So okay, it is in prime the num, because why, concatenation is the most of the important. So num, the what is the, is there num, can be give what is the number, give to the num value. So this is the print the num. Then again it is a print the prime numbers. So again else part, it can be go to the else part. So else, open the bracket, open the flower bracket, it can be system dot out dot println. So it can be print and num plus is a concatenation, num plus concatenation is a, it is a not a prime number, it is a not a prime number. This is a complete programs in a prime numbers. So once we, once it can be run the program, once it can be run the programs, then we search it. Okay, this is a complete prime number programs. Who go to the run mode is there now, in the top of the list, it can be is there run mode. It can be run the programs. It can be come to the outer, enter the prime number, enter the prime number. You can be enter the any numbers. So just we can, we want to enter an, so enter this is the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, 13. So can be entering a 13. So 13 is a prime number, you know that one, 13 is a prime number. Then again I want to loop it. Okay, so again you can be another, printing the enter to the another number, it can be 12. It is a not a prime number, it can be divided by the any other number also, dividing the 12 numbers, it is a not a prime numbers. So we can move on to the, we can be move on to the, can be repeated loops. I want to and repeated loops, it can be creating the while true. So once again while true can be creating, can be repeated the loops also, because until it can be stop the programs, until it can be stop the programs, that's why it can be repeated. So open the flower bracket while true, open the flower bracket, then again close it. So after the alls, after the all complete programs, it can be once we need to, once we need to write an system.out.println, because why means it can be, don't confuse. So that's why it can be just, wrap the lines, just wrap the lines. So build the range. So again run the programs. So run the programs. So is there, to enter the prime numbers now. So now what is an output? So 4 is, 4 is a not a prime number. So again enter the prime number. Again repeated the loops. Again repeated the loops. So then again enter the prime number. Prime number is a prime number. The 4 is a not a prime number. So this is a complete, prime number programs. Always, it is a best good. They can be always use the programs. So thank you guys.